Okay, I have the Beats Solo 3 headphone with me. So for some time back, I have this earpad coming off. So what I did was to use my cards to push it in. To see that video, you can check the description above on the tutorial on how to push it in. But in this video, you can see the AirPods are bad. So what I want to do is I want to change the entire AirPod and replace it with a new one, which I got online. So I bought the AirPod online, which is this. So with this, I'm going to change the entire AirPod and replace with those ones I got online. So I got this. So to do this, what you need is you need a table knife, which is this, to open this up, a bit of alcohol to clean the glue from the pads, then tissue to clean things before I'm done. So to get started, what you need is to put your table knife in between the AirPod and push. So you push it out. So you turn, do the same thing. You put it in between the white plastic and the black plastic, then you push. So you can see this is off. So you can clean out the edges to take out all the residues of the glue. We're going to get the whole glue off here. So once that is done, we'll do the same thing for the other side. Put in your knife and push out. This came out quite well. So we have that. Then we'll take out the residue from the glue. So that is out. So let me clean this off. So I'm going to dip it into alcohol a bit. Just hope this tissue works. So much so. Just clean out the glue. You can also use a soft cloth to do the cleaning instead of tissue. This tissue just keeps breaking off. So let me get another. So it should take the whole vet off. So I have another here, which I think I still have a bit of glue in here. So I need to take it out. So I think we're good on this end. Still have residues on my table, so I'll just clean this off. So we'll do the same thing to this end. Like this. So clean off this edge too. So we still need more. Just don't want to come off. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, so we have it all cleaned up. So what we're going to do is, so you can see we have two ends here. The parts with the cut edges where you fit into the part with the charger, and so I'm going to open this up. Okay, you can see there are two dots here, so it's two dots will align to the dots on the headphone, then this edge will align to the parts where the charger will come in. So you have to set this in for it to work. So you can see, so this part is in, you press it a bit. So we'll do the same thing to the other end. So it's not coming off, okay. So I have the other end off, same. There are two dots here too, so I have to align the dots with the dot over here. Okay, this is in. So just press in a bit. So you can see it's now properly fixed. To make it a bit stronger, you can put in books in between them, then press the headphone on the books and leave overnight till the next day. So by the next day, the whole thing should be all good. So guys, you can see that's it, and I think it's coming out pretty good. So that's how to change the air part of your Beats Solo 3 headphone. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.